Sometimes password protecting your PDF is so important whether you're sending it out or you're going to save it. And today I will show you how to password protect your PDF file on macOS Big Sur. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first, we have to download an app. So go to your app store and then search for an app called Page. This is how the apps look like. It's popular app provided by Apple and it is 287 megabytes. So when you click on open, it will straight take us to our early saved files. Then choose your file and then click on open. So this will be the file that we're gonna be password protecting. So let me just scrabble some words in, and after your file is ready, go to your left corner and then click on file. Then come all the way down to set password and then create your password. Let me just put 12345 and 12345 here too, and then let me put down some hints in case we forgot our password. That may happen. So click on save password, and then as you can see there is a key lock icon have been added on our PDF. So let's close this one and check our password protected PDF. So select your file and then click on open. Boom. So as you can see, we have successfully created a password protected PDF and we have to put down the password to get in. So this is going to be the end of my video. I will leave the link down below if you want to download the app directly. Until the next one, peace out.